Ngina is God made. Ngina is blood bought. And I know that that sounds deep and gaudy if you don't understand the power of the blood, but the blood is my umbrella. The cleansing, redeeming, uplifting, restoring power of God is what birthed me. And while some might find comfort taking credit for everything that's great about them, I understand that without God, I'm nothing. He made me and he put his DNA in me. He gave me instructions and he gave me direction. He set me in the course of destiny. And my calling is to be a gift to people. Is to be a gift to those that need to be empowered, those that need to be encouraged, those that need to be reminded, those who come where I come from, which was a place of lost identity, a place where I thought that my identity came from the pain that I experienced. I thought that my identity came from the abandonment that I experienced. I thought that my identity came from the rejection that I experienced. I thought that my identity came from who didn't choose me as opposed to who chose me. I felt like I was the one that he left the 99 for. I was a lost little girl, gifted, articulate, but lost. Great academic acumen, but lost. Popular, known by many people, but lost. And he came and found